Hi, welcome to the first ever video on the Unqualified Engineering YouTube channel. In today's video, you will watch me build the frame for my custom CNC platform. I wanted to build a CNC machine from scratch because off-the-shelf CNC machines are expensive and I can't afford that. So I want to build one. This will be my first ever CNC machine, so I don't really know what to expect. Might not be the best, but I'll sure have fun trying to make it. But I've used the CNC machine once. I didn't make the toolpath, so I just kind of sent the file to one of my teachers and he made the toolpath for me. But so I'm going to be I have to learn CAM. I already know CAD though, that's a good part. But hopefully this will end up right. But this is part one, just the frame, nothing else is happening, just the aluminum frame. But let's get started.
So these are the parts I'm going to be using to build the CNC platform. So the aluminum right here, of course, people say it's not really that strong, but I think it's, for the scale I'm using it at, like, it's very small. Like, the largest piece is 400 millimeters, and I have like a meter long piece behind me that I couldn't even bend myself, so I think I should be fine. The build area at the end is going to be the size of this box. It's not like the biggest, like I have big hands, but still, like, it's not the biggest, but it's good for a start. I've never owned a machine before, so I'm not going to miss anything. It's just going to inspire me to make another one. But I have flat pieces right here. I 3D printed a bunch of these flat pieces for the thing. This is a little model that I 3D printed a while ago. It's very broken because I did a bad job soldering it together. But it's just a little model to see how it looks like. It's actually like falling apart in my hands as I talk about it right now. But yeah, little brackets. We have these corner braces, that corner stuff. I have little TPU feet. I think I have to make them bigger and modify them a bit, but whatever, they'll work for now. Oh my god. So I don't have a threading tool. And as you can see from this model, there's a lot of spots where you would need to thread the inside. So I just improvised a threading tool by I jammed a M5 screw into the end of here and I just twisted it. And it seems to work well enough. I can tighten stuff down, but that took me about 4 hours and my hands were not happy after. But yeah, this is pretty much everything I need to build the frame, at least. All the motors and stuff, and motion will be in the next video in the series. But yeah, that's all I really need to talk about. Let's get on to the building process. Oh, when I watch this time lapse, I just think it's so cool because something I spent so much time modeling on my computer, it's just coming to life in front of me, and it's crazy. It's like, I made this. This is 100% my thing. Like, it's just so cool to me.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that time lapse. That was 3.5 hours of my time compressed into 19 seconds of building this. But as you can see, this is the final product, the full frame. Some parts of this weren't in the time lapse. I know I should include all of it. But after I did it, I realized I kind of messed up a bit, and I didn't want to have to record the whole thing again. But, so this is pretty much the overview of why I chose this as a design for the thing, like for the CNC machine. But, so, I'm going to start with this back part here. So this back part is meant for, like, electronics and stuff. Like, if so like right here, I've already decided, like in this area right here is where that's gonna home. Like that's gonna be the home position, is in this corner. But this entire area right here is meant for, like, if I ever want to add like something like a sensor, camera, like a tool changer even. If I make one, I doubt I can, but you know what? I don't think I can make a CNC machine, but yet here I am. So this back area is just meant for if I want to add anything in the future. I can do that, and I have an area where I know the spindle is not going to be. So it's just nice, this whole, and then yeah, so it's just nice to have an area that I can do stuff in like that. But this area right here, like these bars, this is where the rollers are gonna ride on. I might need to remove this because I will need to remove that. Okay, that's a mistake. But so this is where the wheels are gonna roll on. The lead screws are gonna come here. There's gonna be another piece over here that holds the lead screws in place. But yeah, the motors are gonna mount back here. I don't have the wheels yet, or else there would be a gantry on that thing, but I have the aluminum for the gantry. Eventually it's gonna be like this, and then I have more. Yeah, I can't reach it right now, but yeah, this is the work area. It's rather small. It actually ended up being a bit bigger than I intended. It's about half an inch bigger on both sides than I thought it was, but it's nice. I have a little wiggle room. But yeah, the work area is where the things are gonna ride on. I'm gonna block it here. But I just chose this design because it's small enough, has a small enough like bench profile to be used, like just used on a daily basis. Like it can be tucked away. It's like nice, small. Like I don't make big projects. I'm sorry if you like came to this channel expecting that. But what do you like? I'm 15 years old. I can't really make this stuff. But yeah, thank you for watching my first YouTube video. There are 2 more parts in this series, the motion and then first cuts and stuff. But thank you for watching. If you guys feel like it, you can like the video, maybe even subscribe if you want to see more of this stuff. I know the video is not the highest quality, but when I can afford it, I'll get a new camera. But thank you for watching. Goodbye.